Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into some of the best anti-aging serums available today. As we age, our skin starts showing signs like wrinkles, fine lines, and loss of elasticity. But the right serum can help tackle these issues and restore that youthful glow. Whether you're looking for deep hydration, brightening, or fine line reduction, we've got you covered. Let's explore 5 top-rated anti-aging serums that are worth your investment. Kicking off our list at number 1, Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. The Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum is a cult favorite in the skincare industry, praised for its ability to repair and rejuvenate skin overnight. This serum is known for its potent anti-aging properties and its ability to target a range of skin concerns, including fine lines, uneven skin tone, and lack of radiance. Packed with powerful ingredients, it helps to restore the skin's natural barrier while working to prevent future signs of aging. Key features: the Advanced Night Repair Serum is formulated with the brand's exclusive Glycolic CB technology, which accelerates the skin's natural repair process while you sleep. It also contains antioxidants, including red algae, that help protect the skin from environmental stressors. Additionally, it includes hyaluronic acid, which deeply hydrates and plumps the skin. The formula is free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it gentle on the skin. Benefits and usage: this serum is perfect for anyone looking to repair the visible signs of aging, including fine lines and uneven texture. It works best as an overnight treatment, helping your skin rejuvenate and look more radiant by morning. To use, apply a few drops to clean skin before your moisturizer, focusing on areas with fine lines or uneven tone. It can be used daily for best results. Usability: the serum has a lightweight, fast-absorbing texture that glides on smoothly without feeling greasy or heavy. The dropper packaging makes it easy to dispense the right amount without wasting product. It is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and can be incorporated into both your morning and nighttime skincare routine. Durability: the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum is known for delivering visible results after just a few uses. With continued use over weeks or months, users report smoother skin, reduced fine lines, and a more youthful, radiant complexion. One bottle lasts a long time, making it a solid investment for those looking for long-term anti-aging results. In the second spot, we have Skinceuticals C E Ferulic. Skinceuticals C E Ferulic is a highly regarded vitamin C serum that has gained a reputation for its ability to brighten the skin, reduce fine lines, and protect against environmental damage. As one of the most potent antioxidants, vitamin C is a key ingredient in anti-aging skincare, and Skinceuticals has perfected its delivery system to ensure maximum effectiveness. This serum is ideal for those looking to improve their skin's texture and tone, while also providing a layer of protection against environmental stressors. Key features: the C E Ferulic serum contains a potent combination of 15% pure vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, and 0.5% ferulic acid. Together, these ingredients work to neutralize free radicals and protect the skin from harmful UV rays and pollution. Vitamin C brightens the skin and boosts collagen production, while ferulic acid enhances the stability and effectiveness of the vitamin C. The formula is free from parabens and synthetic fragrances. Benefits and usage: this serum is excellent for anyone looking to reduce the appearance of fine lines, uneven pigmentation, and dullness. It also provides superior protection against environmental damage, preventing premature aging. To use, apply a few drops to clean skin in the morning, followed by sunscreen for added protection. It can be used daily for the best anti-aging results. Usability: the Skinceuticals C E Ferulic serum has a watery consistency that absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any sticky residue. It has a slight citrus scent from the vitamin C, but it dissipates quickly. The glass dropper makes it easy to apply, ensuring you get just the right amount for your skin. It is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, although those with extremely sensitive skin may want to patch test first. Durability: Skinceuticals C E Ferulic has an impressive track record of delivering visible results, including brighter, more even-toned skin. Over time, users report firmer skin with reduced fine lines and wrinkles. The product's high-quality ingredients ensure its efficacy, and although it's a premium product, it lasts for several months, offering great value for the results. Coming in at number 3 is the Ordinary Buffet. The Ordinary Buffet is a multi-peptide serum that aims to address multiple signs of aging in one bottle. This serum targets fine lines, wrinkles, and skin texture by providing a combination of peptides, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid. It's an affordable option that has gained popularity due to its effectiveness in improving skin elasticity and overall appearance, making it an excellent addition to your anti-aging routine. Key features: the Buffet serum is packed with a wide range of peptides, including copper peptides, which help to promote skin regeneration and enhance collagen production. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which deeply hydrates the skin, improving its plumpness and texture. In addition to peptides, the formula includes amino acids that support skin health and improve its resilience against external aggressors. The serum is free from parabens, sulfates, and fragrance, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the Ordinary Buffet is perfect for those looking to target multiple signs of aging, such as fine lines, loss of firmness, and uneven texture. To use, apply a few drops to clean skin, gently massaging it in until fully absorbed. It can be used both in the morning and at night for maximum anti-aging benefits. For best results, follow up with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Usability: the serum has a lightweight, watery texture that absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. It layers well with other products, making it easy to incorporate into a multi-step skincare routine. The dropper packaging ensures you get the right amount every time, preventing wastage. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Durability: with consistent use, the Ordinary Buffet provides visible improvements in skin texture, firmness, and overall appearance. Fine lines and wrinkles appear softened, and skin looks more hydrated and youthful. Given its affordable price point, it's an excellent long-term investment in your anti-aging skincare routine. Taking our 4th spot is Drunk Elephant T.L.C Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. Drunk Elephant T.L.C Framboos Glycolic Night Serum is a high-performing exfoliating serum that helps to smooth and refine the skin's texture while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This serum uses a combination of glycolic, lactic, tartaric, citric, and salicylic acids to exfoliate the skin, revealing a brighter, more youthful complexion. It's formulated to provide visible results quickly while supporting long-term skin health. Key features: this serum features a blend of AHA and BHA acids, which work together to exfoliate dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Glycolic acid, the main exfoliant, helps to break down the bonds between dead skin cells, allowing for smoother skin. The formula also includes raspberry extract, which helps to reduce irritation and soothe the skin. Additionally, it contains salicylic acid, which helps clear pores and prevent breakouts. Benefits and usage: Drunk Elephant T.L.C Framboos Glycolic Night Serum is perfect for anyone looking to improve skin texture, reduce pigmentation, and diminish fine lines. It's best used as a nighttime treatment to allow the exfoliating acids to work while you sleep. To use, apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin in the evening. Be sure to follow with sunscreen during the day, as exfoliated skin can be more sensitive to the sun. Usability: the serum has a lightweight, gel-like texture that absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky or greasy finish. It's best to start with a few applications per week and gradually increase frequency to build tolerance. It's suitable for most skin types, but those with sensitive skin should patch test before use. Durability: Drunk Elephant T.L.C Framboos Glycolic Night Serum delivers noticeable results after just a few applications, with smoother, brighter, and more even-toned skin. With continued use, you'll notice reduced fine lines and a clearer complexion. It's a bit on the pricier side, but its effectiveness makes it worth the investment. And finally, at number 5, we have Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Serum. Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Serum is a highly popular anti-aging serum known for its ability to firm and hydrate the skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This serum contains a powerful combination of peptides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, which work together to smooth the skin and restore its youthful appearance. It's a drugstore favorite for those seeking visible results at an affordable price. Key features: the Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Serum features a blend of niacinamide, vitamin B3, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. Niacinamide helps improve skin elasticity and visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles, while peptides boost collagen production for firmer skin. Hyaluronic acid hydrates and plumps the skin, providing a smooth, radiant complexion. It's free from parabens and fragrance, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this serum is ideal for those looking to improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and increase skin hydration. To use, apply a few drops to clean skin in the morning and evening, followed by a moisturizer to lock in hydration. For best results, use consistently over time to see a noticeable improvement in skin elasticity and smoothness. Usability: the serum has a smooth, lightweight texture that absorbs quickly and doesn't leave any sticky residue. It's easy to incorporate into any skincare routine and layers well with other products. The pump packaging ensures you can dispense just the right amount, making it both efficient and hygienic. Durability: Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Serum delivers visible results with regular use, including improved skin texture and reduced fine lines. It's a budget-friendly option that offers high-quality anti-aging benefits, making it an excellent choice for those looking for an effective serum without the high price tag. And that wraps up our review of the best anti-aging serums to help you fight the signs of aging and maintain a youthful glow. Each of these products offers unique benefits, from hydration and firming to brightening and wrinkle reduction. Whether you're just starting your anti-aging routine or looking to enhance your current regimen, there's something here for everyone. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so choose the one that suits your needs and stick with it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite anti-aging serum. See you in the next video.